What I really like about Novafil is its natural elastic behavior and tendencies. The observation is that as the tissue becomes edematous and swells, the suture will expand with it. That does prevent some of the cutting, and often prevents some of the enlargement or secondary intention type closure. Also, what benefits the patient is that as the tissue edema resolves, there's a relaxation or a response by the suture back to the natural edema of the skin. Some of the other sutures, like nylon or even proline, may accommodate the skin or stretch, but has some suture creep where it stays stretched to its original length based on the tissue edema, but does not contract with it as the edema resolves. The fact that Novafil does that allows better tissue apposition. The skin stays together, and the cosmesis, it really is measurable.